Have you ever thought about the air quality of your home? Having fresh air is important for your everyday experience and can even make your home healthier. In every WestCreek home, we build in a heat recovery ventilator or HRV to give you fresh ventilated air and exhaust out the stale air of your home. We're in the mechanical room of the home, and here is a typical heat recovery ventilator. This will draw fresh air from outside, but if there's dirty filters in here, it can't do its job very well, and you may end up with elevated humidity and stale air in the home. So let me show you how to check and maintain the filters. To check the filters in the HRV, there will usually be clips at the top or the bottom. We just need to unbuckle them, lower the lid carefully. Now that we've opened it up, we can see the core and the pre-filters in our HRV, and there's cleaning tips right here printed on the core. But just so you know, you can pull the core out, you can take it to a tub to soak it, and then you can replace it. It doesn't need to be completely dry, but the pre-filters will usually be the thing you're going to clean more often, usually every few months, as these can get a lot of dust from outside. The core, usually about twice a year. Now this reusable filter is pretty easy to take out. You can vacuum it off if it's excessively dirty, and then you can just take it to a sink and rinse it off. Once you're happy with how clean you've got your filter, you can just shake out the extra water or let it dry for a while, but it's okay to put it back into the HRV with a bit of moisture on it, and then we're all done. Now that our filters are cleaned and ready to go back into the HRV, we just got to replace them, one on each side. Close it all up, and we're all set. So check your HRV filters every 3 to 6 months. It'll keep your home fresh, clean, and comfortable. Otherwise, if you have more questions, reach us at westcreekhomes.ca.